Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to practically demonstrate how to write CSS selectors for navigating from grandparent tags to grandchild tags directly. So let's get started. As part of this session, I am going to solve these two challenges on this sample application page. For that, first I'll open the browser and take you to the sample application page which is on my name. For that, you need to type my first name Arun and followed by my last name Motori, Motori dot github.io and press enter. Once you are taken to this page, right click on the blank area and select inspect option. Then you will get the Google Chrome DevTools. Now expand all this HTML code. Now here on the right side, click on this double arrow and select selector sub. Now once you get this text box field, here I'm going to write the CS selectors for navigating directly from the grandparent tags to the grandchild tags. So for that, as part of demonstration, I'm going to solve the first challenge here. That is navigating from HTML tag to title tag. Fine. So first I'll show you the normal way, not direct way. Okay. We are not directly going to jump from the grandparent to the grandchild directly. First, I'll cover the normal way of writing the CS selectors for going from the HTML tag to the title tag using CS selectors. So I'll start with HTML. I'll just type HTML tag. So this is a CS selector. When I press enter, HTML tag will get located. But my requirement is to locate the title tag. In order to locate the title tag, first I need to locate the HTML tag. And who is the immediate child of the HTML tag? Head. So to go from the HTML tag to the immediate child tag head, we have to give greater than head. Now press enter, head tag will get located. You see head tag is getting located. But my requirement is to locate the title tag. Title is the immediate child of the head tag, not the HTML tag. So from HTML, we went to the head tag in this CS selector. Now from the head tag, we need to go to which tag? Title tag. Okay. From head, immediate child is title. So we have to go from the immediate parent to the immediate parent to the immediate child. Now press enter, it will locate the title tag. So this is a normal way of writing the CS selector for locating the title tag with help of HTML tag. So HTML greater than head greater than title. Which symbol we are using to go from the immediate parent to the immediate child? Greater than symbol. Okay. Again, immediate parent to the immediate child. Again, greater than symbol. So what if my requirement is to directly go from the HTML to the title? I don't want to go from HTML to the head and from head to the title. Rather, I want to jump directly from HTML to the title. Will this greater than symbol work? If I remove this part and simply say grandparent tag, grandchild and child tag separated by greater than symbol. Can I directly navigate from the grandparent tag to the grandchild tag using this greater than symbol? The answer is no. If I press enter, you see zero elements matching. So greater than symbol will only be useful for immediate parent to the immediate child combination, but not grandparent to the grandchild. So what if I want this grandparent to the grandchild still work? I should not be using the greater than symbol. In place of the greater than symbol, which symbol I need to use? You should not use any symbol. Instead, you have to use normal space case. Just give a small space between the, okay, space is there. HTML tag, space, title tag. HTML tag, space, title tag, and press enter. You see, this is going to work. If you want to directly navigate from the grandparent tag to the grandchild tag, you have to use space in between. Okay, so this is a solution for the first challenge. Navigating from HTML tag to the title tag. The solution here is HTML space title. This is the answer. Okay, or solution. Second challenge. Okay, the same terms we are going to solve the second challenge. Navigating from the HTML tags to the p tags. Normally, if I write, okay, if I want to locate this p tags with the help of HTML tags, normally how to write the CS selector? First, I have to type HTML. It will locate the HTML tag. Now, with the help of HTML, I need to locate the body because under the body only p tags are there. I have to go from the immediate parent to the immediate child. So HTML greater than body. If I do that, body tag will get located. You see body tag is getting located. Now from the body, I want to locate p tags. Since the p tags are the immediate children of the body, I have to say greater than p. So this is a way of writing the normal way of writing the CS selector for navigating from the HTML tag to the p tag. Okay, by using this immediate parent to the immediate child combination. Okay, again immediate parent to the immediate child combination where we have to use greater than symbol. What if I directly want to locate the or navigate to the p tags directly from the grandparent HTML tag in this example? So will this work? The answer is no. This won't work. HTML greater than P won't work because HTML is not the immediate parent of the P. P is not the immediate child of the HTML. Rather, HTML is the grandparent. P is the grandchild of the HTML. So here in place of the greater than symbol, we have to use space and now press enter. What will happen? The two paragraph tags are getting located. You see these two paragraph tags are getting located, guys, 1 and 2. So this is a way of writing the CS selector for navigating from the grandparent tags to the grandchild tags directly. Okay, in place of using greater than symbol, we have to use space case. Okay, copy this and let me paste it here. Okay, so this is the answer for the second challenge. Okay, navigating directly from the HTML tag to the p tags. Fine. So if you want to go from the immediate parent to the immediate child, we have to use greater than symbol in the CS selectors. But if you want to go from the grandparent tag to the grandchild tag directly, you have to specify the space. In place of the greater than symbol, greater symbol won't work in this case. In place of the greater than symbol, you have to use space here. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.